In this video, I'm going to compare two of the scope cameras I used to record some of my hunts recently. I'll put a link to a hunt using the SideShot in the description below. And I'll include a short hunt with the ATN X-Sight 4K Pro I did today. Full disclosure, I need to work more with both scopes to fully optimize. This video presents only my preliminary impressions. I only had a couple of hours available this morning and thought I'd use the time to field test the ATN Day Night Vision X-Sight 4K scope. On this hunt, I was going to be going far and traveling light. I'd had some recording mishaps on a squirrel hunt in Arizona last week, and I wanted to review my options. I saw a second squirrel, but had a tree between us. I scooted over, lined up the easy shot. And missed. I was out with the ATN X-Sight 4K. I've used one of the earlier versions of this, and I had a problem because the battery kept running out. But this thing, NiCad batteries, I charged it up, and it says it runs up to 10 hours, but I've had it on the whole time I've been out here, and it's hardly dented the battery life on it. You know, one of the things I'm really liking, and it's a huge advantage of the scope, it's a night vision scope, but you can use it daytime. You don't have to switch scopes back and forth. But the other thing I like about it, for the kind of hunting I'm doing now, the squirrel hunting, it's really good in low light. And I've been using another scope mounted camera on a Hero 7, and this is actually, I think, well, we'll see. I'll look at some images from both. You can make a decision, but Now let's compare the two scopes I used on these recent hunts. On the SideShot GoPro, the pros are it can be quickly mounted on any scope. The quality can be very good when the lighting is right. The field of view is focused on the target and it's waterproof. The cons are, at least in my experience, it can be difficult to optimize the focus. It's very expensive, and I'm only able to get fair to poor quality in low light situations. The ATN X-Sight 4K pros are that it has both day and night vision, it's easy to set up and use, has good quality video out of the box, has a very long battery life, and is lower priced compared to the SideShot GoPro. The cons are you have to re-zero it if you move from one rifle to another. It has more limited magnification, and it's not waterproof. So what am I going to use? Well, I think both scopes are capable of doing a good job and have unique capabilities. I'm going to keep using both for a long-term evaluation to give them a fair shake, and I'll come back with a later report.